Appliance delivery ranks as probably one of the worst experiences you'll ever have to contend with. In this video, you'll learn to avoid all the 4 major delivery problems you've either heard or read about. As a bonus, you can download our delivery checklist to compare all the retailers, box stores, and internet storefronts based on all the variables associated with delivery that nobody will tell you about until now. In it, you'll find a comprehensive list of every possible delivery consideration, from early water leak detection to making sure your delivery person isn't a felon, and to how to protect your soft wooden floors before and after delivery, even with an 800-pound Sub-Zero. This video may not be as flashy as comparing professional ranges, but it could be more important. First, never sign for anything without inspecting the items thoroughly first. If you do, most companies will not allow you to place a damage claim after the fact. Not just damage either, but wrong products delivered that you install as well. Whatever you do, take your time inspecting your appliances on delivery. Don't be rushed or hassled into signing. Don't leave it in your garage boxed either. Always unpack and inspect any delivery, from appliances to even furniture or accessories. Damage could be its own video. First, let's look at why it's such a big problem for appliances. The number one complaint is damage. It happens 3 to 9% of the time or more depending on the store. Many of your appliances are made in Korea, Europe, and Mexico. There'll be some shipping problems in moving appliances multiple times over the oceans and transporting them across country using multiple warehouses. But appliances have also become heavier, especially stoves and refrigerators, while floors have become softer. So damage can also refer to your house or the actual appliance. We video every delivery of the products plus the delivery path to your house. However, we're not perfect, so we insure ourselves for every kind of scenario to ensure you'll be taken care of in the event damage does happen. In case damage happens to your appliances or your home upon arrival, oftentimes the store will give you a discount for keeping a damaged appliance, but you want to make sure it will not affect the operation of the appliances. You need to take pictures, document, have the delivery guy sign their delivery form verifying the damage. Call the store while they're there. You need as much documentation as possible, especially with property damages. Most companies will lowball estimates, so you'll have that added burden of providing a real contractor's estimate. If you do not verify that damage, you'll have to go through your homeowner's insurance. A bad enough problem will certainly increase, if not cancel your homeowner's policy. Most companies want you to own their problems because your insurance will increase, not theirs. Yet another common issue is unforeseen yet increasingly common extra fees charged at the time of delivery. Free delivery is great, but most of the time it's a drop-off at your curb, and that's okay for a smaller package or an appliance like a dishwasher. However, you need to ask the right questions at the time of the sale, not when the driver's at your door. Here are the most common hidden delivery fees. Stairs. Anything over a flight seems to be a $20 or more charge. Removal of your old. How much does each removal cost? The going rate is $20 to $40. Not just the appliance, but the removal of packaging can be a separate charge as well. What is basic connection cost for electric ranges, dryers, and washers? How much is that charge? So what you really want to know is the delivery price into your home with stairs, including connection and removal of old appliances plus packaging. Now, you'd expect delivery times for appliances to be better. After all, we get edgy when we wait more than 6 minutes for an Uber. Many companies can narrow it down to 2 hours because the routing technology exists, yet many more will give you a full or half-day lead times. Half a day or even more than a few hours. Scared? Don't be. Just ask the right questions beforehand, especially how much a delivery will cost with stairs, including installation and removal. Take your time inspecting any delivered items or anything. Document any problems at the time of the delivery. Wasting a whole day, delivery damages, and installation issues are often more costly than a good delivery with a fee. Now click the link for the delivery checklist to find out about water leak prevention, how to protect your floors during a delivery, and answers to the many delivery problems, including an easy-to-use checklist comparing all the appliance stores.